So our family is going camping this weekend, and one of the things that I know we need to take is a bug repellent. Now, years ago when we first started camping with toddlers, I started thinking that camping just wasn't for us. We had many sleepless nights. So one time I read an article about how citronella can act as a stimulant, and I started connecting the dots between the bug spray we were using and the lack of the toddlers and myself getting any sleep when we were camping. So citronella can act as a stimulant to the nervous system, and it increases your blood circulation, and that kept us from getting a good night's rest when we were camping. So I searched for natural bug spray that didn't have citronella in, was not able to find any. And then here a couple years ago, my sister shared a recipe with me that uses lemongrass oil instead of citronella. So I always make our bug spray now with lemongrass, and I've had very good results. This is our go-to bug spray, and we put it in a big sprayer because we really spray everything. I put it on the boys when they go in the woods to repel ticks, and it's very simple to make. So I have the lemongrass essential oil, and I'm gonna put a link in the description for this. And then witch hazel and water. That's all you need to make this spray. And use a glass bottle if you can, because essential oils can break down plastic bottles and put harmful chemicals from the plastic into your spray. So the first thing we do is you need 3 parts of water, and this is not very precise, so I just eyeball it. So I've got about 3 parts of water. And then I'm gonna add 1 part of witch hazel. And what the witch hazel does, it helps to distribute the oil throughout the water, so it breaks up the oils so that you have tiny bits of oil going in with each squirt of bug repellent. And then I'm gonna use my lemongrass oil, and I probably had about 1 cup of water and a 1/3 cup of witch hazel. So I'm going to put I'm going to count and put approximately 40 drops of lemongrass oil in here. So you'll want to shake this up before you use it each time. And since we have stopped using bug spray or bug repellent that has citronella in the ingredient list, we have had much better experience with camping. We've gotten much more rest, and we repeat it quite often. So when we use this spray, we spray generously over the clothing and everything, especially when we're in the woods, because this covers up the scent of human, and the ticks are not as likely to drop down on you.
Wait, there's some fire on the map. Yeah, you gotta get it. Oh, gas.
Yeah, hold it. Hold it like that. There you go. And now make it go through the fat part. There you go. Yep, between your fingers. Right there. Did it go through? Nope, try it again.
You're trying to make mine burn. I think that's it.
So you may be asking, how does one go camping when they've got all these animals to care for? So almost every one of our camping trips is taken close to home, and then one of the adults goes home in the morning and does the milking and any other chores that need to be done, and then we head back to the campground in time for breakfast. So one of our favorite camping hacks is to use the immersion blender and blend all the eggs together before we go camping.